going to be reading you my own comic book. It's called Sonic and the Mecha. I still don't understand what the MK is, but here it is. Here's the minerals. There's Sonic just chilling. There's me. Alright, let's get to the video. 01000100. Boring. Bro, you better be. Okay. What? Yeah, I made that, except it's not really like, dude. There's silver. Okay, MK. Y'all don't know who's MK1? Hold on, let me just unwrap this. Here he is. And then let me just try to like fix this. Hold on, guys, hold on. I'm almost at the end. There's like a lot of pages on this one, so y'all better read this. Yeah, it's like 1 minute because I've been like trying to find that paper. Alright, there we go, and then there it is. Alright, hold on, the phone book. Ah, crap. Okay. Should we? Don't. Nah, too slow. How did they come back? Huh? You can speak? My handwriting is pretty bad, so that's why. Middle. Don't enter extra, only metal. Says who? Oh. There's these guys I made. That one's my favorite, bro. The building, no enter. I'm almost done. Here comes like the Dogman and Flipperama and the Captain Underpants. Flipperama, ready? That's for a fun fact, it's actually, you know how Silver Sonic was making his hand long. He's trying to show the Flipperama. Alright, Flipperama, ready? Look, it says you will only see this, and you will see it only this time, and it will be the end. Here's the Flipperama. Take that off. Take those off, guys. Want me done? Flipperama, ready? Okay, that's my Flipperama. Here we go. It is working. Here we go, that's the end. We're gonna read this. What will happen? Flipperama, ready? Metal, don't enter. Metal extra. Says who? Building, oh. That's the end. That's my comic book. Goodbye, guys. Bye.